we think about what has kept the US dollar supported for most of this year, it's largely been three things: safe haven demand, dollar liquidity stress, and rate differentials which were supportive of the US dollar. To some extent, all three of these factors have now declined, so dollar is not really deriving as much support from any of these factors. Having said that, that does not really mean that the dollar is going to collapse immediately. I think that's more of a long-term story. In the short term, what's really keeping the dollar supported is still there's a huge amount of uncertainty in the markets in terms of what global growth is going to look like in second quarter. Even the range of estimates are very wide, or when the recovery is going to happen. And as long as the market does not have a good answer to these questions, I think the dollar remains quite supported. So next few months, I still think the dollar remains supported, but the longer-term story, the longer-term fundamentals for the dollar have deteriorated in our view.
Okay, makes sense. I do just want to get your view quickly on sterling as well, as we mentioned the Bank of England decision coming up.
Sure. So not much expected from the Bank of England today. We can't really rule out that they signal an increase in asset purchases, so another $200 billion sterling. So again, I don't think that's going to be a big surprise for markets. I think that's sort of expected either at this meeting or at the next meeting. For sterling, I think, again, long term, we still think that at current levels, sterling still looks fairly cheap. But again, we really need the broad dollar to turn for sterling to recover from its low. So near-term outlook for sterling is stable in our view. Medium to long term, we are still bullish on valuation still being quite attractive for sterling at these levels.